Z&R's intelligent casting line ensures strict quality control from the very beginning of the manufacturing process. Raw materials are transferred by electromagnetic lifting systems, while automated weighing feeders accurately charge the melting furnace. Under precisely controlled temperatures, high-purity qualified molten iron is produced and transferred to insulated pouring ladles. At the molding station, fully automated hydraulic mold clamping equipment securely locks the sand molds in place, followed by intelligent pouring ladles that precisely dispense high-temperature molten iron. After pouring, the sand molds are conveyed along roller lines for stable, temperature-controlled cooling. Once the castings meet process requirements, the shakeout and sorting system separates the bearing housing casting blanks, while the used sand is recycled on site. The entire production line is equipped with sand reclamation and dust collection systems to ensure clean and efficient operation. Committed to energy conservation and sustainable manufacturing, Z&R operates an intelligent closed-loop production system, delivering premium quality castings through standardized and rigorously controlled manufacturing processes.